Morning, student. Let us discuss the last adjustment from the chapter admission of a new partner. As in the previous video, we have already discussed the various adjustments or accounting treatment are to be done at the time of admission of a new partner, that is calculation of new profit sharing ratio, sacrificing ratio, treatment of goodwill, distribution of reserves and surplus, adjustments of any fictitious assets or any previous losses, and revaluations of assets and reassessment of liabilities. Now our next topic is adjustment of capital. So it may be decided at the time of admission of a new partner that either the new partner will contribute as capital in proportion to his share of profit, or that the capital of other partners will be adjusted to make them proportionate to their respective share of profit. So under this topic we will discuss the two cases. First is adjustment of old partners capital on the basis of new or incoming partners capital. In this case, you have to adjust the capital on the basis of new partners capital. And the second case, the calculating the capital of incoming partner on the basis of old partners capital. So what differences you are finding here? In first case, new partners capital is given in the question, and in the second case you have to find out what he should bring to the firm as a capital on the basis of old partners capital. So these all are the two cases as per the syllabus of class 12th. Based on these two cases, questions are given in the NCERT book, and you will just solve the question after we will discuss this topic. So let us see in detail with example how you will do the adjustment, what step you will follow. See, it is a question. A and B are partners, okay, sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2, and their capitals were 3 lakhs and 2 lakhs respectively, and they decided to admit C as a new partner, and C on what share he is coming, on 1/6 share of a profit, and new profit sharing ratio is also given 3:2:1. And also adjusted capital. What do you mean by adjusted capital? Means here after preparing the capital account, that closing capital is known as adjusted capital. And in this question, adjusted capital means after crediting the goodwill, reserves, accumulated profit, revaluation profit, the capital of A is 3,50,000 and B 2,50,000. It is already calculated. And now calculate the new capital of A, B and C and the amount of actual cash to be brought in or to be paid to the partner in each cases. So see, you just have to find out if there is a deficit in a capital, partner will bring in cash, and if there is a excess capital, they will withdraw the capital by cash. So see one case, first case, their adjustment of old partners capital on the basis of new partners capital. As in the question it is given, a C is coming into the firm with a capital 1,40,000 and he is coming on 1/6 share of profit. So you just see the step. Has new ratio is already given 3:2:1, okay. And first you find out the total capital of a firm on the basis of C's capital. So what is the way to calculate? You just take the capital of C, that is 1,40,000, and you just reciprocal of C share. Reciprocal, you just reverse it, 1/6 means 6/1. That will give you the total capital of new firm on the basis of new partners capital, that is coming 8,40,000, okay. And now total capital firm, you and find out what A should bring. A's capital should be 1,40,000 into his share. A's share is 3 by 6, means A's capital should be 4,20,000, and B's shares, that is 2/6 of 8,40,000, that should be 2,80,000. So while comparing the capital, new capital with the adjusted capital, what differences you are finding? 4,20,000 is the present capital, and A's adjusted capital already given in the question, and if it is not given, you have to prepare the capital account and find out the adjusted capital. So while comparing A's present capital with the adjusted capital, there is a differences, means there is a shortage of 70,000. So A will bring cash of 70,000, and while comparing the C's capital, present capital is 2,80,000 and adjusted capital is 2,50,000. Again there is a shortage of 30,000. So B will bring cash 30,000. So you can pass in both the cases A and B, there is a case of shortage, and both will bring the cash into the firm to make the present capital. So entry will be cash account debit 70,000 plus 30,000. Altogether 1 lakh is coming into the firm, and A's capital account is credited with 70,000 and B's capital account will be credited with 30,000. So this is the way how you will do the adjustment. Once again I am just repeating. First step, find out the new capital of the firm by just raising the capital of new partner, that is 1,40,000 into reciprocal of his shares, and then you just find out the A's new capital and B's new capital, second step. And then in third step you just compare the new capital with the adjusted capital, and the differences is treated as either surplus or deficit. Accordingly you will find out whether A has to bring the cash or withdraw the cash. So this is the case when the capital adjustments are done on the basis of new partners capital. This is as per your syllabus. So many other cases are also given in the side book, but you will strictly follow the syllabus given as per the NCERT book, and this case, or based on this case, you will get a question in NCERT book and you just solve the question. Now move to the second case, when the adjustments are done, when the new partner is required to bring proportionate capital, then what steps you have to follow? First step, you just sum the adjusted capital of A and B. Okay, that is A's adjusted and B's adjusted capital 3,50,000 plus 2,50,000, that is 60,000. Now combine the share of 6 lakhs, combine the new shares of A and B, as new share of A is 3 by 6 and B is 2 by 6. By adding both the shares, altogether the share is 5 by 6. And this, what you have to do, reciprocal of this combined share, means sum of the capital of A and B 6 lakhs into reciprocal of new share of A and B, and that is 6 by 5. You just reversing the 5 by 6 by 6 by 5, then you will get the capital of a new firm, that will be 7,20,000, and this 7,20,000, C is coming on 1/6 share, means he will bring 1/6 of 7,20,000, that is 1,20,000. So what steps you are following in this case? First you just add the adjusted capital of old partners, then add the new share of old partners, then reciprocal of combined new share of A and B, with find out the adjusted capital, find out the new capital of the firm. or the simple way you can say ki if a new partner is coming on 1/6 share, if suppose the total share of firm is 1, and if out of 1/6 is given to see what is remaining, that is 5/6, and then reciprocal of 5/6 is 6/5, then you will get the total capital of new firm, and on that amount you just find out what she should bring to the firm as a capital, that is 1/6 of 7,20,000, that is 1,20,000. So this is what the two cases given. On the basis of these two cases you have to do the adjustment. So NCERT book, if you will go through the questions, numerical questions, your question number 33, 34 and 35 are based on this topic, adjustment of capital. Try to solve these three questions. What is the difference between 33 and 34 number question is, in 33 if there is a shortage of cash, then partner is bringing in the form of cash and surplus withdrawn by the cash, and if it is mentioned you just do the adjustment by opening current account, then instead of cash you will involve the current account, like A's current account and B's current account. So whatever the case may be, if the question is asked to open current account, you will open a current account, and if question asked to open a cash account, you just open the cash account, and all the necessary steps are same. Similarly, question number 35 is based on the second case. If in second case new partner capital is not given, you have to find out what he should bring if he will come to the firm as a partner. So what a step I explained, you just find out the new partner's capital. So there are two cases that we have discussed, adjustment on the basis of new partner's capital, and second case adjustment of capital and capital of calculating the capital of incoming partner on the basis of old partner's capital. So this is what we have discussed in this topic. Solve the questions based on this topic. Thank you so much. Take care.